For the Visual Arts Center, I'm doing a show called ZZZ, and it's centered around a piece that I'm using a canopy bed. So I'm taking a canopy bed frame and turning it into a sculpture. And so the whole show is essentially built around the canopy bed and notions of sleep and ideas about traveling somewhere else when you're asleep. I come upon things in many different ways. Sometimes I literally find something when I'm not looking for something. Sometimes I'll find something when I'm looking out the window of my car, kind of hoping I'll find something. And sometimes I'll use things that used to be my own and were on the verge of being thrown away. An example of that is my old bedroom pillow that I would lay my head on every night when I went to sleep. When I looked at it with the pillowcase off of it, it was like almost abject. It has all these drool stains. And I thought that was really beautiful in terms of it being an index of so many nights of rest. I had an idea to mummify the pillow like I've done a few other artworks, and that's a process of just laying fiberglass over the actual pillow. And then I'm gonna end up placing all these brass tacks on the surface of the pillow after it's been fiberglassed, so the tacks are facing up. The vaulted gallery space has affected my project in a couple ways. One, it's the biggest space I've ever been presented to do a show with, and so that required me to think about how I was going to maximize that space. And then also, the vaulted gallery has something that I was really excited about, which is the balcony that overlooks the space. And this is gonna be really great because the show is gonna be set up within a giant mosaic quilt of carpet. And then within that quilt, there'll be the 5 sculptures of the show. You know, from ground level, you won't quite be able to make out the pattern of the quilt or the symmetry of the quilt, but once the viewers access the show from the balcony above, it'll come together as this one thing. It'll come together as, you know, the composition of this giant quilt. I'm very much looking forward to meeting all the students at the Visual Arts Center who are in the graduate and undergrad program in art. And I'm looking forward to working with them. Hopefully some of them will be helping me put this exhibition together, because without their help, I don't think it'll happen.